Are you getting this error message in your system? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. So the first step is to test your system memory. To test system memory, you can go to Windows search, and herein you can type memory, and Windows Memory Diagnostic will open up. So this is a tool which will restart your PC, so that make sure to save your all the work before restarting your PC, and it will restart your PC and check all the problems in your PC. So after restarting your PC, make sure to check hard drive problems as well in your PC. So for this you need to go to this PC, and from here you can see these are the drives which I have created. You can go for any one of them. Just right click on this and click on properties. So click on tools and click on this check button in front of error checking, and just click on scan drive, and it will take few minutes or seconds as per your size of your drive. And after that you need to do it for other drive as well, like C drive, D drive. So do it one by one for each drive. Again click on tools and click on check, and wait, click on scan drive again. You need to do it for each drive one by one and wait until this process completes. So after that you need to run check this command from your command prompt. So you need to go to Windows search, type in command prompt here, right click over this and click on run as administrator. So type in CHKDSK, and you can also press C drive, D drive, anything /C drive. So you can do that, and or you can, like, you need to type in a CHKDSK here, and you need to type in the drive C, D, anything which you have, and simply you need to run the command like this, and you can simply press yes or no. You can do it CHKDSK as well. So the CHKDSK will scan your system completely. So next step is to run antivirus or anti-malware program in your system. You can download antivirus program online, and if the problem still persists, you can check for any hardware engineer. You can check the RAM from a hardware engineer. Don't do it by yourself because it requires expertise. After following all these steps, let me know in the comment section whether this issue resolved or not, and I will further assist you if you comment me with proper error. So let me know in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.